Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Naked Audio Tutorial. This is Yong from Sgaudiohive. Today we'll be going through how to recycle and build a solid, longer lasting lightning to 3.5mm adapter with mic input using an old used set of lightning earpod cable. For this tutorial we'll need the following items. For tools we'll need soldering equipment, wire stripper, tweezers, hot glue, and Heatshrink. For parts, we'll need a lightning earpod, wire sleeve or paracord, and a female 4-pole 3.5mm jack. We start by cutting the cable 10cm or any length you require from the lightning connector. Strip the wire using a pair of wire strippers to expose the internal wiring. We can find 5 bundles of wire here: red, green, red-brown, green-brown, and a red-green bundle. There is also a cotton core at the center which is there to provide structural strength. Hidden in the red-green bundle is solid brown wire. The pinouts are as follows: red plus, the red is the right plus, the red brown right minus, green L plus, green brown L minus, red green is the mic ground, and solid brown is the mic signal. Bundle the right minus and L minus and mic ground together and tin all of the wires by coating them with a layer of solder. To tin them, dab a blob of solder on the soldering iron and rest the blob on an individual wire and continuously feed solder to them until all the paint burns off. Sleeve the wire with heat shrink and apply heat to shrink. Sleeve the wire with another layer of paracord. sleeve the connector part with a heat shrink that is 1 cm longer than the connector. Shrink the connector portion first, the one which covers the plastic connector housing. Cut small bits of hot glue and fill them into the unshrink area. Apply heat slowly to melt all the glue and the heat shrink. Prepare the female 4-pole jack by coating all the soldering pads with solder. Solder the wires in the following pinout. Pin 1 left, pin 2 right, pin 3 ground, pin 4 mic. The pin number should be printed on the female jack. If not, use the tester and a DIY 3.5mm 4-pole jack to find out. Once the connector is soldered, cut a long heat shrink for the connector housing and a short heat shrink for the connection. Install the short shrink over the soldering and insert hot glue like before and shrink it. Install the longer heat shrink and install it over the connector casing and soldering.